Once upon a time in a vibrant garden, there lived a little ladybug named Lily. She had shiny red wings with black spots that shimmered under the warm sun. Lily was an adventurous and curious bug who loved exploring the world around her. One day, as Lily was fluttering from flower to flower, she noticed that all the insects around her were gloomy and sad. The garden had lost its enchanting colors. Confused, Lily approached her friend Oliver the grasshopper, who was sitting under a droopy leaf. "Oliver, why does everything seem so dull and gray today?" Lily asked with concern. Oliver sighed and replied, "Lily, a wicked spell has been cast upon our garden. All the colors have vanished, and the joy has disappeared." Determined to restore happiness to the garden, Lily set out on a quest to find the source of this spell. She flew high and low, seeking answers from wise butterflies, clever bees, and even the ancient spider. Finally, in a secluded corner of the garden, Lily stumbled upon the Rainbow Beetle, a mystical creature with shimmering wings in every color of the rainbow. "Dear Rainbow Beetle, please help me. Our garden has lost its colors, and everyone is sad. How can we break this spell?" Lily pleaded. The Rainbow Beetle smiled and said, "Lily, the secret to bringing back the colors lies within you. The spell can only be broken by spreading kindness, love, and positivity." Lily was taken aback. "But how can I, a little ladybug, make a difference?" The Rainbow Beetle gently replied, "Never underestimate the power of your actions, no matter how small they may seem. Each act of kindness creates a ripple effect, touching the lives of others. You can start by being a friend to those in need, helping others, and spreading joy wherever you go." Inspired by the Rainbow Beetle's wise words, Lily returned to the garden with newfound determination. She began by complimenting the worried caterpillar on its resilience, singing a cheerful song to the downhearted birds, and lending a listening ear to the busy ants. As Lily continued to spread kindness, a miraculous transformation took place. The garden began to regain its vibrant colors, and the insects' smiles returned. The joyous energy in the air was palpable. Word of Lily's acts of kindness spread throughout the garden, and soon other bugs joined in, creating a chain of compassion and positivity. With the spell broken and colors restored, Lily felt a deep sense of fulfillment. She realized that everyone, no matter how small, has the power to make a difference in the world. The garden flourished, and Lily's story became a legend told by generations of insects, reminding them of the importance of kindness, love, and spreading joy. And so, dear children, the lesson learned from Lily the ladybug's colorful journey was that even the tiniest creature can change the world by making a positive impact on the lives of others.